that we will faithfully discharge our duties and responsibilities as the representatives of the school council to the best of our ability. We will act in accordance to the Quran and Sunnah and strive to be a true believer of Islam and follower of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We will uphold the principles and values of our alma mater and strive to contribute positively to its mission and goals. We pledge to act with integrity, honesty and dedication, respecting the rights and dignity of others.
Serving the school community and his excellent communication skills make him an ideal leader. I humbly request today's chief guest, Mr. for this role. He will be supported by Atif Ansari from class 9, whose calm demeanor, sense of justice and excellent problem solving skill make him an ideal assistant discipline leader. Ayman Motesham from class 10 as a discipline leader, and to assist him, Atif Ansari from class 9 as an assistant discipline leader. School. There is Faihan Siddipapa from class 10 as a sport leader, followed by assistant sport leader Arhan Ahmad from class 9. Creativity and organizational skills have been evident in various school events, making him a valuable asset. Assisting him will be Sayyid Hayyan Isam from class 9, who has a cultural leader Ahmad Damdar from class 10, and he will be assisted by contributing his innovative ideas and supporting nature. Here comes Hira Group leader Sayyid Umais Barmawar from class 10, and he will be assisted by Zain Gangoli from class 9. Amar from class 9, who is known for his reliability and positive attitude. Here comes Bilal Shingeti as the leader of Sabha Group, and he will be assisted by Ahmad Sabir Armar from class 9. Skills to the group. Here comes leader of Marwa Group, Zaid Jobapu from class 10, and he will be assisted by Abdul Majid Kashimji from class 9.
ये काम सुबह हो शाम है, बुनते नहीं हम आशियाँ। शाही सिफत हम नौजवान,
शाही सिफत नौजवान, शाही सिफत नौजवान।
परवाज़ अपना काम है, ये काम सुबह हो शाम है, बुनते नहीं हम आशियाँ। आशियाँ शाही सिफत हम नौजवान में शाही की नजर सीने में चीते का जिगर मंजिल की जानिब हम रवा शाही सिफत हम नौजवान हक के लिए जीते हम हक के लिए मरते हम दीन हक के पास शाही सिफत हम नौजवान
शाही सिफत नौजवान शाही सिफत नौजवान
हक के लिए जीते हम हक के लिए मरते हम दीन हक के पास शाही सिफत हम नौजवान मज़लूम के गमखार हम जालिम पे है तलवार हम इंसाफ के हम तर्जुमा शाही सिफत हम नौजवान
नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान नौजवान
बातिल से हम टकराएंगे दुनिया पे हम छा जाएंगे हाथों में हम लेके कुरान शाही सिफत हम नौजवान
शाही सिफत नौजवान शाही सिफत नौजवान
बातिल से हम टकराएंगे दुनिया पे हम छा जाएंगे हाथों में हम लेके कुरान शाही सिफत हम नौजवान खिलाफत जुस्तजू तो है शहादत आरज़ू पाए हयात जाविदा शाही सिफत हम नौजवान
All the leaders who have been selected, they have to do their responsibility as a Muslim, as a school leader, as a sportsman, as a Marwa leader. See, the names are given by, just think what name you have given here. Safa, Marwa, why this? In your mind, everything Islamic has to go on. Now I came to know one of the students of this school, he has joined other institution. I am really surprised to see this. We could not able to explain why this school is, why Anjuman is there, why leaving Anjuman they are gone to another school. I don't want to name it, but it is very bad. It is very bad. I really felt very bad. We could not able to explain.
तो मुझे महसूस हुआ कि ये माशाल्लाह ये एक स्कूल ही नहीं है, ये एक यूनिवर्सिटी की तरह इसका एटमॉस्फेयर है। बहुत खुशी हुई। और फिर जब मैं बच्चों को देखा माशाल्लाह बच्चों में अच्छे टैलेंट वगैरह है, इंशाल्लाह मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे यानी फ्यूचर में ये अपनी खिदमत
our honorable guests on the dais, management members, staff. As you have seen, this is a
गिरता टूटे भी जो तारा तो ज़मीन पर नहीं गिरता गिरते हैं समंदर में बड़े शौक से दरिया लेकिन किसी दरिया में समंदर नहीं गिरता Standing before you today as a newly elected school head boy is a moment of immense pride and gratitude for me. This journey began in the 6th grade when I first joined this esteemed institution and now in the 10th your head boy. And I am committed to doing my best for all of you. As I step into this role, my primary commitment is to uphold the discipline and my focus will be on fostering a positive and inclusive environment where every student feels valued and heard. Together we can achieve excellence not just academically but in all areas of school life. Reflecting on my tenure as a
wonderful day and for granting us the wisdom and strength to organize this.